Some of you guys might have seen my most viral video that did 30 million views. Someone was wondering what happened with the car after. I had to weld the trunk shut to keep driving it, otherwise it would fly open. I had to put my helmet on too, because it's time to do race car shit. Hit the mud, got a little bit stuck, so my buddy backed up to tow me out. He says he's really good at towing stuff, so we'll see. I hit a jump, and it was all good. The airbags went off. It hurt a little bit, but I was fine. I ended up crashing into a ditch, which I thought would be fine because my buddy said he's good at towing, and then this happened. I don't know what I'm gonna tell insurance. Follow for more.